if I had to start my Amazon FBA business all over again from zero and I wanted to reach $10,000 a month as fast as possible, here's what I would do exactly step by step. What I'm not going to do is like, yeah, you should get Seller Amp, right? And do some storefront stalking. So that way I can actually get 25% of everything you are going to pay them. So yeah, use my link. No, this is some bullshit advice. You've seen it over and over again. You've tried it. It's not working. You've been scammed by all these fake gurus that tell you that they have nothing to sell you, right? And I'm going to tell you right now, I do have something to sell you, right? The reason why I'm actually teaching you all this is so you can find, like, you can actually see that I know what I'm talking about and I want to get you in my private community, right? And you can actually apply. There's a link below. You can see the people that I've helped scale their Amazon business. On this page, you have a few testimonials. Way more on his YouTube channel. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza and I teach people how to scale on Amazon, right? I'm selling myself and I've scaled my business past $100,000 a month, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you right now, really fast, what I would do, no bullshit, the exact thing that I would do. And let's start straight up. So I want to find some products that I can buy full price, not discounted, not whatever, right? And flip them on Amazon. How am I going to do this? Really easy. I'm going to find products from name brand store, right? But not from any like random brand, right? From private labeling brands from these stores. And so what I'm going to do really fast is I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask, give me all the private label brands from Target. So ton of brands from Target. We are gonna skip everything that is clothing and we're going to focus mainly on grocery. Why not, right? So we're going to use the Keepa product finder and we're just going to copy and paste all of these brands inside the Keepa product finder, right? So let's check this out. So boom, Good and Gator, first brand, zero product, of course. Let's just go to Amazon then and check Good and Gator to see under what brand, like what is the brand called exactly. Let's check this out. So let's dig a little bit. We do have some, you know what, let's start from the first product. Let's try to see under what brand they are listed. Sadi. So it's not the right brand. You probably want to avoid that, right? But right here, we do have Good and Gator listed under generic. So we probably want to avoid Good and Gator, I guess, because, yeah, so, oh, here we go. We do have Good and Gator. So let's do this, okay? It's actually not written like we did. It's actually written like this, Good and Gator. So when you actually do this, you want to avoid product, like don't sell generic products, okay? And don't sell products like this one that are listed under another brand. So this one is listed under Good and Gator. Great. Is it actually moving? Let's check. It's actually selling. I mean, it has sold in the past because it does have reviews, right? It was not selling super fast, but I assume it's still selling at 40. It is still selling at 40, right? So before we actually dig into the Keepa product finder, let's try to find this product. Let's see how much it sells for on Target. Here we go. So we can get that for $12.79. Am I correct? Fruit strips, pomegranate, mango, and strawberry. We can get that for $12.79. Is it the same one? It is. So $12.79 times 2. We can make $4.10 per sale on this. Okay, is it an amazing return on investment? No, but it's something really easy that you can grab and you can actually sell FBM today. Like you can actually literally list it and you can sell a few, like let's just look at this guy, right? So in the last, since May 30, he sold 3 units, right? So it's an easy $12 profit already from a product that you can list FBM and like you don't even need to get a lot of stock, really easy, and that you can probably grab at any time, like literally at any time at Target. So let's dig a little bit into other products, and what we're just going to do is we're just going to sort them by how many times they were bought in the past month, which we don't have the data on these product, okay? And so what we want to do mainly probably is find all of these products, right, that are listed under Go and Getter, and they may be listed under like auto spelling of the brand. Just make sure that it's not just done on purpose, you know, because you can get in trouble for that. But yeah, and just look at all of these products. And Good and Gather is just an example. We have a ton of brands, right? Market Pantry, Favorite Day, Bakery Deal, Worthy, Wonder Shop. Like, this is seasonal. By the way, the seasonal stuff from these stores actually do good. Check Up and Up because they have pills and stuff that you're going to be able to find. Let's just look at it. Up and Up, right? Boom. Let's look at Up and Up. Let's do Up and Up pills. Here we go. Up and Up. I cannot find any. But you get the idea, right? So we just found like one random product. We have a second one right here. What was it? This one, right? Not a ton of reviews, but I mean, it's meltable, so you can even FBM it. And it's indeed selling, right? So same thing. Let's check how profitable it actually is. And the truth is that you can just keep one unit in stock at all time. Quick tip, some people actually do not keep any stock and they just kind of like buy whenever they actually have a sale, which can get you in trouble. So I'm not saying that should do it. I'm not saying that should not either. But yeah, so this one, I mean, if you can actually FBM it for, I mean, it's not great. It's absolutely not great, right? It's not really going to work, but you get the idea, right? Just by doing this, I'm not going to show you all the extra profitable products because if I do, of course, you know that they are going to tank because everybody's going to jump on them. But you got the strategy, and this is exactly what I would do to get my first $10,000 a month on Amazon, right? To actually go to $10,000. There's a ton of stores where you can actually do this. There's a ton of better store than Target where you can actually do that, right? And they have products that sell really, really, really fast, okay? So hopefully this was helpful. Once again, you need more help to scale your Amazon business. There's a link to the description, okay? You can watch a few of my student testimonials, okay? Ernie that made $2 million last year. Floyd that went from $0 to $15,000 a month in 3 months. And Yasmani who made over $150,000, actually is close to $160,000 a month now, all right? I'll see you in the next one.